Hello guys, welcome to MA Tutorials. This video is based on how I created my own logo. Let's get started.
Preview.
Before entering into the video, are you looking for a designer who can design logos, posters, business cards, UI/UX, and designing kinds of stuff? Then you are at the right place. Just go to fiverr.com/hmohammedathil or click on the link in description and get your designs now. Let's move on to the video. Create a new common artboard in Adobe Illustrator. Then select the rectangle tool and draw a rectangle above the artboard. Then change its fill to none and swap the color. After that, press Ctrl+2 to lock the selection. Let's begin with an outline of the logo. Select the line segment tool and draw a horizontal line. Then change its stroke color to white. Then select the rectangle tool and draw 4 rectangles with width and height 30 and 155 pixels, 30 and 81 pixels, 82 and 26 pixels, and 30 and 51 pixels. Then select the first rectangle and change its angle to 326 degrees. Then select both rectangles and change its angle to 214 degrees. Move the 2 rectangles and select the first one, move it near to the line and make its touching bottom of the line. Then select the last one and place it at the top of the first rectangle. Then select the horizontal one and place it at the bottom of the first rectangle. Then select the remaining one and place it near to the line and make its touching bottom of the line and get link within top one. Then select the top 2 rectangles, hold the Alt key and drag it to the left side of the shapes. Then select the line segment tool and draw a horizontal line at the center of the shapes. Next, give shape to your logo. After that, select all the shapes and select the shape builder tool and draw the logo part. Then delete the shapes except the logo part. After that, select the direct selection tool by clicking the letter A, then select the bottom of the logo and make 3 adjustments to complete the logo process. Then select the logo and swap the stroke color to fill. Then press Ctrl+G to group the selection. After that, go to Align tab and align it to center. Then select the Type tool and type the text MA Tutorials. Then go to Fill and change its color to white. Font to Brandon Grotesque black. Font link in description. Font size to 36 points. And letter spacing to 10. Then align everything. And there we go, that wraps up the video. Hope you learned something new. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. I will see you next time.